everyone, our today's topic is water pollution, the causes and effects to humans and environment. At the end of this video, you would be able to determine the causes of water pollution, its effects, and the possible solution to prevent water pollution. Let's first define water. Water is composed of chemical elements, hydrogen and oxygen, which exist in gaseous, liquid, and solid state. On the other hand, pollution is introduction of contaminants to the natural environment that causes adverse change to our environment. When we combine the two words, water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water is essential to all life forms and to our environment because it hydrates human and use water to sustain marine ecosystem. Over decades, water pollution becomes one of the main problems of our environment that we are facing, as more than 70% of the Earth's surface is water covered. Water is uniquely vulnerable to pollution. Known as a universal solvent, water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on Earth. That is why water is so easily polluted. The causes of water pollution on the groundwater is when the groundwater gets polluted when contaminants like pesticides and fertilizers to waste leach from landfills and septic systems. The reason it is unsafe for human consumption. Also, water pollution is caused from municipal and industrial waste discharges that contribute to toxic chemicals. Lastly, marine debris, particularly plastic, is blown in by the wind or washed in via storm, drains, and sewers. Like in the ocean, it's sometimes affected by oil spills and leaks which soak up carbon pollution from the air which the ocean absorbs as much. The effects of water pollution to human. Water pollution kills. In fact, it caused 1.8 million deaths in 2015. Also, it can make a person ill, which the record says that unsafe water sickens about 1 billion people. And in low-income communities are disproportionately at risk because the homes are often closer to the most polluting industries. The effects of water pollution to our environment. In order for the environment to survive, healthy ecosystems rely on a complex web of animals. If any harm to these animals can create a chain effect which endangers the entire aquatic environment or the animals. Of course, on every problem, we have a solution. The solution for water pollution are the following. First is to reduce plastic consumption and reuse or recycle plastic. Second, properly dispose of chemical cleaners, oils, or non-biodegradable items to keep them from ending up down. Third and last is spread awareness to your community about the importance of a clean water. That's all for my video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless.